All right, guys, here we go again. Honda has announced its second recall this month, this time involving more than 700,000 vehicles that may be equipped with a high-pressure fuel pump that can crack. If that happens, the pump can leak, increasing the risk of a fire. Now, the recall impacts certain Accord and Honda hybrid models, the Civic and the Civic hybrid model, as well as the CR-V hybrid models. The issue has led to 145 warranty claims. However, the company has not received reports of injuries or death related to the issue from February 2023 through September 2024. To correct the problem, Honda dealers will inspect and replace the high-pressure fuel pump as necessary. Impacted owners are expected to be notified via a letter starting December 4th. Earlier in October, Honda recalled 1.7 million vehicles because of a steering issue that made it difficult for drivers to maneuver the vehicle. For more information on the recall, you can contact Honda customer service at 1-888-234-2138. Y'all be safe.